your hands, shake your body, rock and dance. Let's get ready for the